Hi, good evening. Today we are learning how to do a set of rebar and how to customize that set in Revit. So first of all, you need to know how to add a rebar in Revit. For example, this is a foundation. To add a rebar, take a sectional view. That's always better. By adding a section, you are defining a plane. Okay, so this is your foundation section. Go to structure, rebar, then take a rebar. So I'm going to take a straight rebar, then I'm going to place. So while placing, you can play with the placement plane, then place. Once you place the rebar, you can select the rebar and check the visibility state. Enable structural level 1 visibility. If I go back to level 1, so here you can see the rebar. So you can see the rebar that's just placed on the section line. So I'm going to remove the section line to make it clear. Okay. So the rebar is added, but it's a single rebar. In case if I need multiple rebar or a rebar set to be spread along this length, then I can do it in the rebar set. Instead of single, select by maximum spacing and you can specify spacing. So this is a rebar set. Now in the rebar set, you may have some trouble in case the rebar is clashing or you want to change a rebar or you want to remove a rebar, then you can do that. So I'm going to show you how to do it. When you are selecting the rebar, so here we have an option called customization. So here you can select edit bars. Now we have two options. So you can enable modify rebar. Then you can select and you can modify the rebar. Select and you have an option to remove the bar, or you can rotate the bar, or you can align to any line, or you can move the rebar. So let me show you. I can move the rebar. I can rotate the rebar. I can delete the rebar. And I can also see which rebar is deleted. So whatever is selected is available and what is not selected is deleted. Once I finish, you can see here one rebar is removed. In case if you want the rebar back, then you can select the rebar, go to customization, reset all. Then you got the rebar back. Select the rebar, then go to customization, edit rebar, and if you want to move the rebar, you can move the rebar in or out, or you can rotate, you can align to a particular line. In case if you want, you can remove the rebar. So if you want to reset the position, you can do that. If you want to reset all, you can do that too. I'm doing reset all, then finish. I hope now you have learned how to customize a rebar set in Revit. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.